Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm really excited today because today starts the filming of my room by room cleaning series that I'm calling From Filth to Fresh, and we're going to try to get everything in my house spotless over the next few months. Today I want to start with the front porch, which I haven't cleaned since the spring. I usually clean up my front porch a couple of times a year. It's done got pretty bad though with like cobwebs and things. We're just gonna clean up as good as we can out here today with the windows and all. There's a chance I might have to film for 2 days because it looks like rain and it's not supposed to rain tomorrow. So we're gonna see what all we can get done today and go from there. I hope you'll stick with me and maybe clean up your front porch as I clean up mine. Hope I motivate you. Let's get right here. I'm just taking down all of the summer stuff. Here I'm using my cobweb duster and just trying to get all the dust and cobwebs and bugs and things like that off of everything. Welcome to my life, y'all. It started raining on me. I was gonna clean for at least an hour before I went to work today, and I got all my cleaning supplies out there, and by the time I cleaned off the front porch and cleaned up the summer supplies, all the summer decorations and stuff that I had outside that was left, and then I did the cobwebs. I used the cobweb duster, and it started raining. So we're gonna pick this back up tomorrow. It's supposed to be sunny, and see if I can finish it. I promise you will. Hey y'all, we are back on the front porch today, and we're gonna try to finish cleaning this front porch. It rained on me the last time we was out here, and today it's sunny and it's not too hot outside, not too cold. So I'm fixing to get on it and see if I can finish it in about an hour's time before I go to work. Let's go. Okay, it's actually been over a week, so I'm using the cobweb duster again, just getting a few extra things up that might have got dirty. Just using some Windex and paper towels here and cleaning up the windows. I'm going to eventually have my husband take those screens off so I can get to the bottom windows, but I can't get to that today. Here I'm using the Mrs Meyers multi-surface cleaner in the apple cider scent to wipe down everything that I can by hand. On this last shutter that I'm cleaning, I just cleaned half of it so that you can see a side by side before and after before I clean the other half. Here I'm just going to use some Lysol lemon scented cleaner pour into some water, and then I'm going to use my Swiffer with an old hand towel wrapped around it, and I'm going to try to wipe down the front of the house with that. That's the end of that, y'all. I broke my Swiffer. And since my Swiffer broke, I'm just going to go ahead and use this small part, the end of the Swiffer, without the stick part, and finish wiping down the rest before I throw this part away. And now just taking another old hand towel with my Lysol water and wiping down the whole front of the house, porch area, just to get the excess water off that came off of the Swiffer, because I couldn't wring it out, but the rag I can wring out, so I'm just going back over it to get the excess water off. And now just sweeping up the porch. And again, just using that apple cider Mrs Meyers multi-purpose spray and wiping down my chairs. And then just put everything back on the porch. The doormat that I'm putting back down is my summer doormat. I probably really need to replace that anyway, but I'm just going to use it until I put my Christmas stuff back out. And then next summer I might buy a new doormat for the summer. Okay, I think I'm done for now. I'm not 1,000% happy with it, but it's way better than it was. And I learned a lot from this first video in my Filth to Fresh series. It's not gonna be easy to get everything as fresh as I wanted it, but I'm gonna get there one way or another. I broke my Swiffer, but I've had that Swiffer for at least 10 years, maybe 15, so maybe it was just time for another one, but I know I was putting too much pressure on it. So I'll have to get another Swiffer, which I don't even use that Swiffer very often anymore because I've got a spin mop now. But I just wanted to say that if anybody has any ideas on cleaning any of this stuff better than I did or an easier way than I did, leave me a comment and let me know, because I will take constructive criticism. I probably need some. The next video, and I don't know how long it's going to take me, is going to be the back porch, if I can get to it before it gets too cold. If not, it's going to be the laundry room. I'm not saying that'll be my very next video, but that's going to be the next video in this series. Something else I want to say is I'm going to get there with this house. I'm not going to stop until I get it exactly like I want it. Working the hours that I always work, it's very hard for me to ever get it as clean as I want it to be. But don't let these YouTube mamas fool you. This is not easy, and it's not nowhere near as easy as they make it look. I want everything spotless. I really do. I have for years, but we're gonna work on it. It's gonna take probably longer than I thought it would. I hope y'all stick with me. I hope y'all watch every video that I make and give me some ideas in the comments if you think I can do things different, and we'll go from there. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Just gonna get a quick shot of the front porch after I finished cleaning it up. If y'all like this video, leave me some comments and give me a thumbs up.